Hi guys, it's Jennifer. It's been a while since I picked up my vlogging camera, so I just wanted to come on here and say hello to you guys and say what's up because I decided today is the day that I'm gonna start vlogging again. And yeah, so I'm off today and I'm just chilling here, and I actually just wanna show you guys who I'm with because she's been bugging me about making more videos, and she's inspired me to make more videos, and that's the reason why I'm doing this today. So here she is. This is Ivy Rain, my baby girl. So we are at home right now. We just ordered food. Actually, we just got our food. We ordered Popeye's chicken and we are about to eat. And if it's messy in the background, then it is what it is. Sorry, we are at home just living our life, and yeah. Right? So, I'm just gonna put you guys on a table. Hold on. Yes, baby?
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, I want to tell you guys something. You can check out my channel called Ivy Rain's Life. And since I have 8 subscribers, you can help me get subscribed more. So thank you if you're doing that.
Yes, if you guys are interested in watching more videos about our life, about her life, I will post her channel right here, Ivy Rain's Life, and please subscribe to her channel. Anyways, you guys, again, we just got our food. We just got our order. I ordered from Popeyes because Ivy wanted Popeyes. I was too lazy to cook, to be honest with you. So that's one of the big reasons why I didn't cook. And yeah, it's my day off today, so I would rather just order and not worry about having to cook. I don't know, just like a what I ordered Uber Eats video, but I got this. What is this? The Norm. We got the family meal.
I don't think really eat like this stuff.
This is an apple pie. We don't really eat the cornbread. I don't know. It's very dry. Oh, it's like a waste of cornbread. This one came with this. This is the mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
And then, of course, the regular chicken. If you guys are from... Oh, gosh, they gave us 3. Okay, not mad at it. I only ordered 2, but they gave us 3. Okay, thanks, Popeyes. Anyway, if you guys are not from the US, I think they already have this in the Philippines, but if you guys have not seen this, there's this place called Popeye's Chicken here in the US, and this is what it looks like. I'm literally like showing you guys. People from the US probably like, what the hell, girl? We know what that is. You're a lockdown?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is Popeye's chicken. Got like the 8-piece family meal, and we are about to eat because we are hungry. Can you put this in the trash, baby? Please? Be careful. Let me push this table back because... Yeah. Oh, and I got a drink. Sweet tea. I shouldn't be drinking this because I'm on a diet, but hey, it is what it is.
Mommy,
I'm gonna go get her food.
I want to say something else.
Okay, I'm gonna go get her food and she's gonna talk to you guys. Okay.
Okay, so guys, I wanted to ask you if you want me to make more videos about Roblox or Minecraft. Like subscribe to me, or if you want me to vlog, like vlog with my family, like you could like to me, okay?
And of course, she wants her white rice.
Yeah, I like white rice.
She's the only one that eats white rice in this household, so yeah. A chicken. This one or 2? 2? This one for now. Here's her
Guys,
food.
anyways, some things might have changed to my avatar because, like last birthday I got Robux, and then I changed my avatar.
And if you're in the US, you know, you'll be using paper plates.
Yeah, girls, wanna have some fun. Like a dum dum dum.
Then I eat brown rice. Me and my husband eat brown rice. Ivy's the only one that eats white rice in this house. Because, yeah. I like this part of the chicken. This is the wing. And she
So
likes...
small.
She likes the drumstick. But this one's my favorite. But anyways, that's... I don't know if we're gonna record while we're eating. Accidentally shut you guys off, but I don't know. I don't think we're gonna record while we're eating. Are we gonna record while we're eating? I guess we're gonna do a mukbang. So
Can't we just do fast forward?
we can do that, yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's just do fast forward.
Well, you're gonna play your game anyway
Okay.
and eat at the same time. So I just wanted to say hello to you guys because it's been a while since I have made any videos on this channel. So yeah, life has been crazy lately.
Anyways, guys, I think I should upload my new video today because it's been a long time since I've making another video, and yeah,
What video do you want to upload?
I'm not sure. Oh, probably a Roblox video.
Roblox?
Yeah.
So you're gonna record yourself playing Roblox again?
Yeah. I
I
don't
got a
really-
little bit of mashed
I want
potatoes.
to show my face.
Want some mashed potatoes? You don't like mashed potatoes.
I don't like mashed potatoes.
You wanna try it? Here. Just try it. Please.
Mhm.
It's good. Mashed potatoes are yummy. You like it? Good. Oh, go home, go home. We were supposed to go swimming yesterday because we've been swimming every week since summer started, but I forgot that we had a doctor's appointment, so we ended up not going. So technically today we can still go, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't think I even want to. I think I'm gonna end this because like I'm gonna waste a lot of memory, but this is us eating our yummy food. We'll talk to you guys later once we're done eating, right? All right, bye.
My mom wants to say hi to you guys.
What's this one? Hi guys. So we just finished eating our lunch. We had a really good lunch, huh? It was Popeye's chicken. I was really lazy today. Didn't want to cook. Not gonna lie, I'm usually lazy to cook. I just cook breakfast for most of the time and then just usually order out. But yeah. Okay, go ahead. I want to do something today, but I'm kind of tired. Why are you recording me in my most vulnerable moment? Silly. So, I don't know. I want to do something. Do you want to do something today?
Yeah.
Do you want to go out or are you lazy like me, mama?
Go out.
You want to go out? It's too close.
I want to go swimming.
You want to go swimming?
Yeah.
It's just going to be me and you.
Yay! I want to swim.
It's just going to be me and you if we go swimming.
That's fine.
Anyways, I don't know what to do today. I'm usually lazy. I don't really want to do anything. I do need to do laundry. I do need to clean upstairs, but we'll see if I get through that. Why? Alright guys, it is hot up in here. We are on our way to where, Ivy?
Cowabunga, Henderson.
On the way to Cowabunga. So this girl begged to go to Cowabunga Bay. It's already 3 p.m. They close at 7. So we have about 3, 4, 5, 6, like about less than 4 hours before they close. But that's a lot of time, to be honest with you. So even like an hour to 2 hours at Cowabunga Bay is like the perfect amount of time, especially in this heat. So we are gonna go. I low-key wanted to go to the one in Summerlin, but Ivy wanted to go to the one in Henderson. So we're gonna go to the one in Henderson. It's okay.
Because I never saw Summerlin before.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never been to the one in Summerlin either.
Yeah, but I never do.
Well, I guess we're just gonna get lost trying to find it. The Summerlin? Yeah, we can. I have to Google it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later because I have to Google how to get to the Summerlin one. So I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hold on, restart.
Don't worry.
Can I see?
Ivy, go! Do it again, do it again, do it again. Go up again, go, go, go. Do it again. Ivy. Are you ready, baby? Yeah. Okay, go, baby. Go, go. Lay down. are here. We finally got here. We've actually been here for a couple of hours now, maybe like 2 hours. And we're just eating.
Did you say we left Daddy?
I said we forgot to vlog. We were supposed to vlog our day today, remember? Yeah. So we are here at Cowabunga, the one in Cowabunga Canyon. And we normally go to Cowabunga Bay, but today we decided to go to Cowabunga Canyon. Ivy's right here, just hanging out, eating her food. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, I'm going to lazy river.
Okay. We're gonna go to the lazy. You didn't even see me. We're gonna go to the lazy river after.
Mommy,
Yeah.
to bring your phone, I think you have to put like your phone inside here.
I know. You have to. Okay, we'll see you guys later. It's super bright. You can't see me. See you later. Yay! See, I knew you didn't like floating. I told you.
The water feels so fluffy.
Fluffy. Rainy. Rain. Wait for me. This girl refuses to wait for me. Yay! That's so nice.
Mommy, look, I can't go back to. Mommy, look.
So bright.
So pretty. We're vlogging, Mommy.
I know.
We're vlog. Are you doing our vlog?
Mm-hmm.
Can I say something to the vlog? Hello, guys. We're swimming in the lazy river right now. I'm gonna wait. Hey guys! Hey guys! We're still at the lazy river. Say hi, Mommy. Okay, so guys, if like the phone touches the water, it stops recording. So probably it will stop recording soon if I put it in the water. Okay, anyways, we haven't vlogged yet. Like, yeah. So at 6:30 we're gonna I can't really see my face a lot. It's very foggy. Anyway, I hope you're feeling good. And Mommy, do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything?
Feels nice to float in the things together. Okay, bye.
Okay, anyway. Anyway, I'll see you a bit later. What card we're done when we're done enjoying.
Guys, so we just finished our little swimming trip today. We tried out the Cowabunga Canyon today and it was really fun. It's not as big as Cowabunga Bay, but I really like it a lot just because I feel like there's like more areas to like chill, like a lot of like the grassy areas and stuff, and I don't know, it just felt more like cozy compared to like the other Cowabunga. But other than that, both of them are really nice. I like the big Cowabunga because it has a lot more to offer, like it's bigger, but for what I'm looking for, I don't really do much. I don't ride big slides, so I honestly enjoyed the kids slides. Hi V, it was so much fun because I don't really ride a lot of slides anymore because I don't know, I'm just scared of it. I feel like I've been like traumatized from riding it. So I rode one today and it was low-key scary, but it was fun. Mind you, it was a kids slide and I was still scared. But what I'm very proud of is Ivy. She actually faced her fears and decided to go ahead and slide on those big kid slide, kind of big kid slide, the one that I rode. At first she was really scared, but she actually went back a couple of times and rode by herself and tried different slides by herself. So I'm so happy that, you know, she's willing to try different rides and willing to explore other things. So hopefully next time she might want to try the big rides. Actually this time she wanted to try the big rides, but I'm the one that kind of said no. So I also need to face my fears, but I'm very proud of her. And you've come a long way. This is the reason why I really like the fact that she's, you know, enjoying summer swimming every single week because she's learning more, she's becoming a better swimmer, and she's having fun. She's just enjoying her summer vacation. And yeah, are you having fun during your summertime, baby?
Yeah.
She's just swimming every single week, which is so cool. And this actually was not planned. I didn't really know that we were gonna go and swim today, but I did promise her that we were gonna go swim on my day off, but we didn't get to swim yesterday because I had my shots or blood work. So just glad that, you know, we were able to do it today, and I'm glad that we didn't waste my day off. We actually had so much fun. So now we are on our way back home, and yeah, just gonna rest up, hang out at home, eat, and then yeah, tomorrow is a new day. I will go back to work tomorrow and all that stuff. But anyways, here's my daughter. You guys want to talk to her? wanna say anything, Ivy Ray? Do you wanna say anything before we end this vlog?
Sure.
Okay. Huh? Here.
Okay, so guys, I wanted to tell you something that please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will always help me gain more subscribers. I haven't making another video, that's why. So thank you.
Okay.